Apple's Vision Pro, a new chapter in VR/AR computing, the future of immersive tech unveiled. Apple has taken a bold step forward in the world of virtual and augmented reality with an exciting upgrade to its Vision Pro spatial computer. This marks the first significant update since its initial launch in 2024, and it's a move that could shape the future of computing as we know it. A visionary upgrade. Scott Stein, our editor-at-large, has been closely following the evolution of wearable tech, VR and AR for nearly 2 decades. With his expertise, we delve into this exciting development. The Vision Pro, Apple's pioneering VR/AR device, is now powered by the new M5 chip, offering a substantial boost in performance compared to its predecessor's M2 processor. This upgrade is part of Apple's broader strategy, which includes the release of M5-equipped Macs, showcasing their commitment to advancing computing technology. However, here's where it gets intriguing. Recent reports suggested that Apple might be shifting its focus from VR headsets to smart glasses. So, is this upgrade a strategic move to keep the Vision Pro relevant? Or is it a sign of Apple's continued investment in this form factor? A comfortable evolution. While the price remains unchanged at $3,500, Apple has made subtle yet potentially impactful improvements. The new dual-knit strap promises a more comfortable fit, addressing one of the key criticisms of the original Vision Pro. This enhancement, though seemingly minor, could significantly enhance the user experience. Scott reviewed the initial Vision Pro in 2024, highlighting its groundbreaking nature, but also its flaws and high cost. With the M5 upgrade, Apple aims to address these issues and deliver a more refined and powerful VR/AR experience. The bigger picture. This upgrade is not just about hardware. It's a statement about Apple's vision for the future of computing. As we explore the potential of VR and AR, devices like the Vision Pro could revolutionize how we interact with technology and our digital worlds. But this is just the beginning. And this is the part most people miss. The true potential of VR/AR lies in its ability to create immersive, interactive experiences that blur the lines between the physical and digital realms. It's an exciting prospect, but one that also raises questions about the future of privacy, social interaction, and our relationship with technology. So, what do you think? Is Apple's Vision Pro upgrade a step in the right direction? Or is it a missed opportunity? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a discussion about the future of immersive computing.